We're going to go over how to alleviate anterior pelvic tilt for hockey players. This is a very common condition that many, if not most, hockey players have, and it can lead to low back and sometimes some hip problems. So what is anterior pelvic tilt? That is where the pelvis is rotated forward like so, pulled down on the front side, up on the back. It creates jams up on the low back a little bit, often causing some havoc there, some pain in the low back, okay? And it can also cause a little bit of pain in the hip flexors and in the hips. It's also known to potentially increase the risk of hamstring strain. So if you have a pretty significant anterior pelvic tilt like so, okay, you are really at an elevated risk of injury. And so we're going to go through a few things that you can do to reduce that risk. Okay, so the first one is our pelvic tilts and a low lunge. So we're going to get into a low lunge like so. Okay, and we're going to take our pelvis and we're going to pull up, flex the back glute, tuck our chin to our chest, and then come out of it. So we're going to take that pelvis from whatever resting position it's at, we're going to tuck it up, flex the back glute, tuck our chin down, and come back out. When you do this, we don't need to hold that stretch at the end. We're just nudging the stretch, working through that range of motion, okay? Getting to the end of that range, getting a little bit of a stretch, and then coming right out of it and doing it again, okay? I want you to do a couple sets, 2 sets of 10 pelvic tilts on each side. So then I'd switch sides here, same thing on this side, pull up, flex the back glute, tuck the chin.